This screencast is to demonstrate how to manage assignment categories within Canvas. So in Granville County Public Schools, we have categories set in Power Teacher. We have our major, minor, and possibly even a homework category. So once we connect our courses to Power Teacher, you can manage or move assignments, discussions, quizzes into various categories in order to sync into Power Teacher. So in order to pull the assignment groups into Canvas, you'll use the three dots in the top right corner and select Import Assignment Groups. This will automatically import some of those groups. This course that we're looking at is a course for Granville Online. So part of our categories that we use include Major H and Minor H. And this fun paper arrow is letting me know that this is an imported from Power Teacher assignment category. So I already have some assignments listed in these categories, but I want to show that with some of our courses where we imported content, we're going to have an imported assignments tab. Some may have a ton of assignments, some may not. So I want to highlight that if I have an assignment that is assigned that I want to go into and sync to Power Teacher, the assignment has to be in either major or minor. So you can do that by selecting or accessing the six kind of dots to the left of the title. You can click and drag and drop it into an appropriate assignment group. Once it's in an assignment group that comes from Power Teacher, you can then toggle this dot in order to sync to Power Teacher. Now this one has a name that is a little bit too long, so it won't sync, but I'm going to just move that back out for the time being. So the other item that you can do is you can search for the assignment. So I have an assignment that I already would like to search for. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter it here. And here is the assignment that I want to include in a major and minor. This is listed under assignments, so this is not syncing to Power Teacher. However, I want it to do that. So once I locate the assignment, I can select the three dots on the right and choose Move To. Once you have Move To, you can select the assignment group that you would like to move it to. You can decide if you want it before, after, at the bottom, and so on. You can place them in order, but I'm just going to click Move. And now, once I remove the search, I can see my Business Essential KWL here. And this one's already green and turned on to sync to Power Teacher. So there are a number of ways that you can move the assignments into the appropriate group. You can drag and drop. You can choose the three dots and select Move To. And then you can also assign an assignment group when creating a discussion or any graded assignment. So please let me know if this helps or if you have any questions.